Hi everyone, I'm Antonette. Welcome to part 3 of the Valentines Inspiration Series, where every Saturday until Valentine's, we will present to you a different themed Valentine's tablescape, 1, 2, or 3 tablescapes in a different theme each week. So this week's theme belongs to Glamour Ellen. She loves Tiffany Blue. So we are doing a Tiffany Blue We Love You tablescape. I also adore this color. I think it's feminine. It's so soft and pretty. I just love it. And I always love when I do anything in this color. It's my favorite shade of blue by far. So I hope you enjoy how I basically take one tablescape, change a few things around, and give you 3 different takes on that one tablescape. Please let me know in the comments at the end which one was most to your liking. Thank you so much. As mentioned, this video is part 3 in the Valentine's series, where we are bringing to you every Saturday a new themed Valentine's tablescape, hopefully to inspire you to perhaps do your own. I'm so happy to be a part of this group, which includes Glamour Ellen, Denise Glam Style Living, My Style, My Colors, Luxury Living with N, and myself, Antonette Decorating. A special shout out to my friend Tammy, the glam queen of DIY, who was an original member of this series, but who hasn't been feeling well lately. So Tammy, I hope you get better really, really soon so that you can join us for at least one of the last 2 videos in this series. Here is my tablescape number 1 in my Tiffany Blue We Love You for Valentine's. So this one is, I'm going to say, the more fun perhaps and the little bit more casual tablescape. So I am going to be presenting 3 tablescapes. There's this one here. Then with the second one, I'm simply going to change those turquoise colored chargers to white to show you how it really does change the look a lot. And then the third tablescape will be gold chargers, and I'll bring some gold into the center to show you how that makes it look a lot more formal. Here we go. We're starting off with our place settings here. So at the very bottom, this really beautiful Tiffany Blue fabric placemat in a rectangular. It's got a darker blue or green stitching and white stitching around. And then I just placed down these sort of natural colored round placemats on top of the rectangular placemats. I do like that layering effect. These great turquoise blue chargers, and you can see they are ruffled all around. Beautiful Tiffany Blue dinner dishes. A great white heart-shaped salad plate or appetizer plate. And between the 2 dishes are the Tiffany Blue napkins that go and match and are set with the placemats. And then our cute little mugs, and this is sort of what keeps it casual looking, are these great little gray mugs, nice and big. I picture them for soup before we have our salad, and they've got these beautiful blue dots on them. And then just over here, these great Tiffany blue or green wine glasses, or they can also be used as water goblets. Right in the center of the table here, I have made what is supposed to look like a cake. I took 2 cylinder-shaped boxes, wrapped them around with Tiffany Blue wrapping paper and ribbon. I added these great little flowers in blue, put some little glass beads on the bottom here, and although not perfect. I think it looks quite cute. I do like that a lot. It's on a cake stand. I've put a little Tiffany blue bow on a white bow right there at the bottom to embellish it even further. That's all on top of a turquoise placemat. And then this beautiful runner, I love this so much. It's this beautiful Tiffany blue hearts on a white background. And that runs just all along the table there. And then some assorted candles in a beautiful, soft Tiffany blue, aqua, teal blue. Just some really beautiful, soft colors going there. So I quite like this, I think because I love the color Tiffany blue. I adore the color. I think it's so feminine, so pretty. I'm going to show you how it's going to look even more feminine and perhaps softer and lighter by just changing out those blue, sort of darker turquoise chargers there, and we'll change them out to white, and I'll show you how it can look quite different. So here we have now our white chargers, and I think that they pick up our white heart plates really beautifully now. I also added a white charger here to the center of the table. And this look to me looks very summertime and sort of has a bridal feel to it, especially now that I've added the white chargers all around. I just think it has even a perhaps bridal shower look to it. Very, very pretty, really cute. Let me know what you think. Did you like it better with the turquoise chargers or the white, or do you really not even notice that much of a difference? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to show you now what this tablescape looks like when we add gold. So this is what tablescape number 3 looks like once I've added the gold. So this is not originally what I thought I was going to do. Once I added those gold chargers and the gold candle holders you see off to the side, I started to get kind of excited about how it looked. It looked sort of formal to me, so I decided to go ahead and take everything off the table. I added a white tablecloth to make it look more sort of dressed up and formal, and I'll show you closer up all the little details. So, as mentioned, gold chargers, they definitely bring in a more formal look. A little Tiffany blue box. What girl doesn't want a little Tiffany blue box? I've changed up the glasses to these more formal glasses here. These are Murano. You can see the angel there amongst sort of a blue cloud, and I think the blue picks up very nicely with everything else on the table, and then gold trim all around with some gold marbleizing at the bottom. Then what I did with the cake display here, I added a gold platter and a bit of a gold sparkly fabric at the bottom. And again, I love that layered look. I think it makes it look a lot richer. So we did that there to dress that up. The gold candle holders with white simple pillar candles on top. Gold sparkly tapered candles in our crystal candle holders. And then I added these little gold and white checkered candles at the bottom there. So that's what the third tablescape looks like. Please let me know which one you liked better. Let me know in the comments. They all, I think, have the same vibe to them as far as being very feminine and something that could be used for a bridal shower or even a wedding. And I quite love this look.